Okay, here we are. Akademia Brewing Company. You can tell by the big brewing tank that's right out there, obviously non-functional, and it's right next to a mall, which is right over there. You can't get to it from the mall. I know. I tried. But anywho, oh, this is nice. I'm in Athens, Georgia. Now, where's Athens? About an hour east of Atlanta, from what I can tell. It actually benefits from a lot of things. The first thing it benefits most notably from is the fact that I did remember my keys. In fact, let me check here. Yes, they are in my pocket. I've forgotten my keys once or twice on the bike. But one of the things is you have the big city nearby, which, I mean, obviously it's a little smaller. It's obviously a lot smaller, so you don't have all the same problems, and you can get around a little easier. Ooh, barrels. Of course, the swag. Ooh, I like the hats. I do like those hats. Pretty cool. Oh. Nice relaxation center. Oh. Hey, how you doing? Well, the beer menu's up there, and I'll show it when it flashes. See, oh, okay, there's. I was going to get the Kolsch or Pilsner, but I decided to go with the Young and Reckless, which is a watermelon mint Berliner. There's a whole bunch of this. His hibiscus barrel-aged Saison, a barrel-aged Saison. I mean, that's a lot of interesting stuff here. But this is watermelon mint Berliner. Berliner is kind of like similar to a Pilsner. Oh, you can smell the watermelon. I think I get a little peppermint there. Oh, so awesome.
I don't like pasta. I don't understand the pasta especially.
That's delicious. The beer is not overwhelmingly. The hops, if there are any hops in it, they're not really detectable. A little bit, you got kind of like a watermelon sweetness. It's kind of this is a real true summer beer. Oh, this is so real refreshing. Oh, amazing. This is really good. Watermelon mint. I mean, I thought watermelon and the mint were absolutely going to destroy it, but it didn't. It actually made it really, really good. You're wondering why I'm wearing sunglasses? It's because on the ride I took a bee to the face when I had my visor open. So I got a little swelling around my eye where it stung me. But this is making it all better. I like the bar setup. Big open. A big college town. I guess the Georgia State is nearby, so I see a lot of Georgia State Bulldog flags. So we're not in the prime season, so I'm sure this is filled up during college time. Not they might even be out. Next is their IQ with Citra and Similkin IPA. It's more citrusy and a lot more smoother than a lot of IPAs, but it still has that hot ring to it. It's gonna go well with the wings. Not really. Oh. That and my Tribeca sandwich. 3 kinds of meat. Pork and etc., etc., etc. Wings are a good attempt, but I'm from Wing Central. Pulled pork, Black Forest ham, pepper pastrami, grilled onions, jalapenos, and chipotle mayo on a toasted hoagie. Definitely what a growing body needs. And when the glass gets low, you can say, I have a low IQ. Or when it's high, I have a high IQ. Ooh. Good.
So you from this?
Maple syrup bourbon. Maple syrup, maple bacon coffee stout. Oh, no, this is the burn everything. Barrel aged maple stout. Next will be the maple bacon coffee stout, but this is there.
Alright, what do you think?
Oh, it's good. Really strong. Oh, it's really good. You can almost chew this. It's very sweet. You can really get the maple with the stout. Ooh.
Yummy. Oh, that's delicious. Almost like candy. This is good. This is real good. Luckily, it's only 8 ounces. They're being good. They're being good to me. This is good too.
The brewing facilities. You can see those people paid for a tour. Oh, this is the barrel aged stuff. Here, Imperial Stout. Oh, those were going to put in there in January. Pretty open place. They have a loft upstairs, plenty of exterior seating. Oh, the relaxation area. Just sit and just think your thoughts. You have people, oh, there's a spot behind there where I guess, I'll just go through and look. Oh, that's just, must be part of the tour. Just a little family area. Yep. All in all, it's a great place. I like it. The beer's really, really good. Food, I mean, the wings are to be expected in the South. You know, not up to Northeast standards. But their Cerebus Tribeca was really good, and their fries were good. So that's all quality stuff right there. Really can't recommend it enough. Athens. I mean, Georgia's a good brewing town, brewing area. And the people care about it. I mean, the guy is from originally Michigan. Well, one of their assistant brewer. They got a cornucopia of interesting people here. They got a number of people who one regulars from Alaska, so that's good stuff. But I'd highly recommend this if you're in Athens. Don't go to Atlanta, go here.